Hi everybody! Come along with me as I make Ugly Sweater Christmas soap. Welcome back folks! Today I am continuing on in Christmas mode at LauriLin Designs. I am making Ugly Sweater Christmas soap with the Alpine Cheer fragrance that is my most popular holiday scent. The concept of this soap is that over-the-top Christmas sweater. You know the one. It's hand-knitted by dear Aunt Edith and super itchy and ugly, and people smile too big when they see you wear it. In a nutshell, the design is layers with a hanger swirl. I am putting a nod towards Christmas with green, red, and white, but I just couldn't resist that beautiful teal color. Today's colors are Maniacal Pea, the green, and Voodoo, the red, both from Micas. The blue is Azure Blue and of course titanium dioxide. Both of these are from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Now I have been making soap for well over 10 years, but I've been making soap on a larger scale and more often for the last couple years. Things that seem easy, I forget sometimes. Today's trouble begins when my layers do not set up fast enough. My thought process was to add the fragrance oil to each layer, blend like mad, and pour it into my mold. While that is setting up, I would move on to the next layer. Nope, this soap was not having it. Thus, this mini whisk action. I do not recommend this technique. It created bubbles. Also, it didn't work to set up the soap. My next thought was to use the spatula to gently spread my next layer. Really, in the end, I'm doing a hanger swirl, so I don't have to make things very straight. Anywho, let's get those layers in the mold. Do you have an ugly Christmas sweater that you wear during the holidays? I have a plain green one and a plain red one. Neither is very ugly or super Christmassy. I guess I just don't like the stares. I do enjoy it when other people wear theirs. It's funny how something that was so nerdy became so cool. Maybe this year I'll buy an ugly Christmas sweater. I can wear it grocery shopping. Maybe I'll count the smiles and report back. This is where I went wrong. I forgot what direction I cut my soap. Rookie mistake. Yikes. After pushing the hanger through my soap, I realized that the only pretty part of the bar will be on the sides. That is not what I wanted. A quick run to the garage to get a tool to modify my hanger, and I go again. I wonder how this will work out. It might get mushy. But alas, my dreams went a little wonky and I ended up creating this soap instead. I made a fatal flaw right towards the end, a mistake I don't think I'll ever repeat again. However, the soap still turned out pretty and it smells divine. My wooden mold with silicone liner came from Workshop Heritage. It came with a log splitter. If I do everything right, I will get 5 loaves and then cut them into 30 bars. I wish that all the soaps had a strong up and down pattern, but ugly is ugly. And as far as soap goes, these bars are okay. Merry Christmas, stay warm, and remember, great soap doesn't have to be boring. See you next Sunday.